In our everyday lives, we walk around and see things stopping and moving. But how exactly do these movements work? We get a brief explanation on how these movements work in the 3 Newton laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion. An object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. In this demonstration, we can see that the ball, which is at rest, does not move until it is struck. When it is struck, it continues to move until it makes contact with the wall and is pushed down by the gravity, bringing it to a complete stop.
Newton's second law of motion says that force is equal to mass times acceleration. In this clip, a man is hitting a piece of metal with a hammer. Let's say the mass of this hammer is 1800 grams, or around 4 pounds, and the velocity of this hammer is 20 meters per second. If you multiply 1800 grams by 20 meters per second, you get 36,000 newtons of force.
Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When a force is exerted on an object, the object exerts a force back. In this example, we see the baseball bounce off of the tennis ball, causing it to go right, while the tennis ball goes in the opposite direction of the baseball. They are able to bounce like such because when the baseball exerted its force onto the tennis ball bounced back, and the moment the baseball exerted its force onto the tennis ball exerted its force right back, which caused the baseball to bounce backwards.
Knowing the 3 laws of motion allows us to better understand the world around us.